Continuing its commitment to safety, Kia designed the rear occupant alert with ultrasonic sensor system to alert the driver to the presence of passengers left behind in the rear seats.
Tech Thursday.
The system is designed to provide 3 separate alarms, alerting the driver that someone may be left in the second or third row seats. The rear occupant with ultrasonic sensors system activates under the following conditions. A rear passenger door must be opened first and closed. The ignition has been turned off. The driver's door has been opened, then closed. The doors are locked with the smart key or the door lock button on the door handle. When these conditions are met, the first alert is activated. A chime sounds, and a Check Rear Seats message appears on the instrument panel. If you do not wish to receive additional alerts, press the OK button on the steering wheel when the first alert is displayed in the instrument panel. This will deactivate the system for 1 ignition cycle. If the ultrasonic sensors detect movement in the rear of the vehicle after the ignition is switched off and the doors are locked and the OK button has not been pressed, a second alert is activated approximately 20 seconds later, and the horn will sound. If the system continues to detect movement, the second alert will activate up to 8 times. To stop the horn from sounding and to cancel the alert, unlock the door with the door lock button on the door handle, or press any button on the smart key. And if objects such as boxes are stacked in front of the ultrasonic sensors, the system may not detect any movement. The rear occupant alert with ultrasonic sensors system may fail to detect movement and activate an alarm if movement is subtle or does not continue, a small child sits directly in a seat without a car seat, a rear passenger is covered with an object, such as a blanket, obstructing the sensor's view. This system is not a substitute for one's attention and may not detect all movement within the vehicle. Always check the vehicle's interior. Thanks for watching.
Fredericton Kia. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, check out all of our social media, and visit our website at frederictonkia.com.